The Jeep Cherokee XJ is equipped with the AMC 4.0-liter inline-six engine, celebrated for its solid construction and capability to surpass 400,000 miles. This strength is crucial for handling extreme conditions. In contrast, the Chevrolet Silverado features the Vortec 5.3-liter V8 engine, which merges power with longevity through advanced fuel injection and durable internal components. Its low maintenance needs make it a favorite among truck enthusiasts. Moreover, the Toyota Tundra's 2UZ 4.7-liter V8 engine exemplifies Toyota's engineering excellence, enhancing reliability and performance to routinely exceed 500,000 miles. Switching gears, the Slant-6 engine incorporates oversized bearings and reinforced internals, enabling it to withstand extreme stress and endure decades of rigorous work without significant issues. An efficient cooling system with optimized coolant passages is essential for preventing overheating, ensuring consistent temperature control during demanding tasks, and thereby enhancing the engine's longevity. Turning to heavy-duty performance, Dodge Ram trucks equipped with the Cummins 5.9-liter diesel engine have set the standard for reliability, capable of reaching between 1 million and 2 million miles with proper maintenance. Similarly, the 22R engine operates under low-stress conditions, significantly boosting its longevity, with many units exceeding 1 million miles, solidifying its reputation for reliability among owners. The Nissan Frontier, featuring the VQ40D engine, merges modern technology with proven reliability, making it adaptable for both rugged terrains and everyday commuting. In the realm of heavy-duty vehicles, the Ford Super Duty's Power Stroke engine is engineered for exceptional durability and performance, with numerous examples lasting over 1 million miles in commercial applications. Furthermore, the Ford Super Duty's advanced cooling system and overbuilt design enable it to thrive in demanding environments, ensuring optimal engine performance even during intensive use. Chevrolet K-Series trucks feature a robust 350 small-block V8 engine, lauded for its durability and ease of maintenance, allowing it to surpass 500,000 miles without requiring major repairs. Lastly, the Toyota Hilux is renowned for its capability to excel under extreme conditions, characterized by its straightforward yet robust engineering, which ensures reliability and longevity, often exceeding 1 million miles.